How to find saved Wi-Fi password on Android without QR code. So in order to do that, you need to head over first to your settings and then head over to your actual Wi-Fi. So you can just click on that and in here we can see our QR code. So if your friend that wants to get the password doesn't have a scanner for this QR code, what you can do is you can just head over and then screenshot in here this particular part. Then head over to Google. So let's head over and search in here for Google. And from in there, what we can do is you can head over and click onto this search and just choose in here this. So as you can see, this will automatically scan this barcode. You can see in here the network name, the password for that. So you can just share them this password that it has been given with. So that's how you find save Wi-Fi password on Android without QR code. Hope we helped.